Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Divya Sharma. I'm a dermatologist with special interest in trichology, cosmetology and pediatric dermatology, and I practice in my center in ACS Layout, Bangalore. 5 things to know about melasma or butterfly-shaped pigmentation patches on cheeks and forehead. Number 1. Oral contraceptives, pregnancy and breastfeeding can serve as a trigger for melasma. Number 2, maintenance is the key. If you are able to get your melasma under control, do not forget to ask your dermatologist for a maintenance regimen. Number 3, the most important things for a melasma patient is to use regularly, even indoors, a broad spectrum sunscreen. A vitamin C serum topically would help. Number 4, do not use steroids and hydroquinone for more than 45 to 60 days at a stretch. You can opt for non-steroidal, non-hydroquinone options like kojic acid, liquorice, arbutin, sebivite and many more. Number 4, laser toning or using Nd-YAG Q-switch laser in lesser fluence can actually help to bring your melasma under control, but this should always be a second option for you and your dermatologist. Number 5, it is very important for you to take an oral antioxidant because they act as a sunscreen when you're suffering from melasma. Do not suffer from melasma. Consult your dermatologist today for treating it.